Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting the screen exactly how you want it. Once done, close private tabs and set focus on the window to capture. You should know whether you need the whole desktop, just one window, or a selection, because that choice changes keys and tools. On Windows, you'll use print screen variants. On Mac OS, you use command combos. On many Linux desktops, you'll use PRT-SC or built-in utilities. Make sure to note where screenshots save by default. You now perform the capture using the appropriate shortcut for your OS. On Windows, press PRT-SC to copy the full screen, Alt plus PRT-SC to capture the active window, or Win plus Shift plus S to open Snip and Sketch for a selection. Paste into Paint or your editor. On Mac OS, use Command plus Shift plus 3 for full screen or Command plus Shift plus 4 for area selection, and Command plus Shift plus 5 for recording. You finish by saving and, if needed, editing the image. Paste clipboard copies into an editor and choose File Save As to set format and quality, or find the file in the default folder if your OS auto-saves. Once saved, crop and annotate to highlight details. If shortcuts don't work, try the on-screen keyboard, reassign keys in settings, or install a screenshot utility. This resolves most hardware or mapping issues. Keep one backup copy in a known folder for quick access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.